Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable billing on the Google Cloud project. So, in order to do this, first of all open your browser, go to console.cloud.google.com, make sure you are logged into the right Google account and at the top open the project selector and choose the project where you want to enable billing. Now, on the left sidebar, scroll down and click billing. If this is your first time, you will see a message saying no billing account linked. Click the button that says link a billing account or create billing account. If you've never created a billing account before, click add billing account, select your country, accept Google Cloud's terms, click continue. Now enter your details like name, address and payment method, and you can use a debit card, credit card or UPI in India or bank account depending on region. Now, once your billing account is created, go back to the billing page, click link billing account, choose the billing profile you just created and click set account, and your project is now officially connected to billing. Now open navigation, choose billing, choose overview, and you should now see your project, the billing account name and your activate payment method. If you scroll down, you'll also see cost breakdowns and free tier usage. Now that billing is active, you can enable services normally. Go to API and services, choose library, select for Cloud Run, Compute Engine or any API you need and click enable. And it will work because billing is now turned on. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.